kamakailan lang ay nagkaroon ng New Zealand Fair sa isang mall sa Makati. Tampok dito ang New Zealand products, culture at marami pang iba. Para impormasyon dyan, panoorin nyo ang special feature.
Isang bansa na nagtataglay ng lakas na kagandahan. Isang isla na ayon sa alamat ay binatak mula sa karagatan. Isang tahanan na talagang matatawag na isang paraiso. Ito ang New Zealand. Kailan lamang ay dinala ng New Zealand ang ilan sa kanilang mga produkto upang ipakilala ito sa mga Pilipino. Best wine, ang napakalinamnam na Angus beef at assorted pastries, at syempre, ilang health supplements. Kaya naman ang ating kasamang si Carla Paderna ay hindi nagpahuli upang makilala ang kultura at pagkain ng New Zealand.
Good morning, boss! Ngayong umaga masasaksihan natin ang New Zealand Fair dito sa Glorieta Activity Center. Kaya halika't samahan niyo ako tikman ng kanilang best wine, food at ibang health supplements. Tara, samahan niyo ako! Good morning, boss. Ngayon naman kasama natin si Ambassador Ruben Livermore. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, Sir Ruben, tell us something about this event.
Well, this is the chance we have once a year to promote New Zealand in the Philippines. And, you know, New Zealand is some distance away and we hope that people come and visit. But this is the time when people can come to see New Zealand in Manila.
Wow, that's nice. So what is the purpose of this event?
Well, you know, we had a lot of demand from our importers of food and wine. New Zealand produces a lot of good quality food for the world. So we have here at this event a lot of seafood, meat, wine, ice cream, all of the products that Filipinos like to try. They can sample it or they can buy. And we also have some cultural performances, some Maori cultural performances people we're very proud of, and some videos of New Zealand tourism. So we're trying to create the experience of New Zealand.
Yes, I can see that. And later I will try your wines and ice creams.
I'm very pleased to hear that.
At dahil nga nabanggit ni Carla ang ice cream ng New Zealand, alam niyo ba ang ice cream na gawa sa lugar na ito ay napakasarap? Ito ay dahil sa sariwang Dairy Queen na mula sa mga masisiglang baka na kumakain sa unpolluted na pastulan. Isang flavor ng New Zealand ice cream na sikat ay ang Hokey Pokey. Ito ay vanilla flavor na may solid lumps ng honeycomb toffee.
Who will benefit from this event?
Well, we hope everyone will benefit. I mean, from the commercial side, certainly those suppliers that stock the products here have a chance to be able to showcase them to Filipinos. And it's a nice chance for Filipino people coming to the mall, to be able to stop by and learn a little bit about New Zealand.
Merkado, palitan ng ideya at opinyon, produkto at serbisyo. Itong mga ito ay susi upang magkaroon ng isang malakas at masayang ugnayan.
Mga boss, medyo napadami na tong inom ko ng New Zealand wine dahil nako napakasarap naman talaga. At saka hindi lang yan, masarap partneran yan itong Angus beef na nako super juicy talaga. At nako boss, sana matikman nyo itong mga kakaibang pastries na from New Zealand din. Sobrang sarap talaga. At ako po ulit si Carla Paderna for Good Morning, Boss!